In this video, you will learn how to buy credits and what account limits exist for unvalidated customers in MailCom's Expert.tools. MailCom Expert.tools is a browser application that provides versatile business data research and enhancement tools. Serious business professionals, marketing, sales, and purchasing managers use Expert.tools to leverage their business success. In the following, you will learn how credits work, when these get used, and how you can buy credits. And after that, I will explain the validation process and I will talk about account limits for unvalidated customers. Let me first explain to you what credits are needed for. Credits are the internal currency of Expert.tools. Some tasks which you use in Expert.tools consume credits. Depending on the exact task that you use and how complex the task is, the more credits will be consumed. You can always see the exact credit consumption of an individual task. To see this, hover your mouse over the small banknote symbol to the right of the task name in the open task window. Here, you can see that this module has, at the time of recording this video, 0 initial cost and a cost of 1 credit per URL that will be processed once we click the Start button. Depending on which plan you have subscribed, you will receive a certain amount of credits every month. If your credits are not enough for a job, you always have the option to top up your credits. How you can do that, I will explain to you in the following. As you can see here, I have already uploaded an address file and both my browser instance and my master account are connected. To buy credits, please go to the File menu, then click this Settings submenu, and finally select the Buy Credits menu item. Now, the Buy Prepaid Credits window appears. Here you can choose the desired package and then click on the green Buy button. If you want to do small tasks or just try out new things, you can choose smaller packages like this one, for example. Credits you purchase remain valid for 1 month. Therefore, you should always try to assess how many credits your task will consume, so you do not overspend. For the purpose of this video, I will choose a small package, the 250 credits package, and then click on Buy. Now a window shows up and asks for your master account password. This is to make sure only the account manager can top up credits. So let's enter our password. And after you've entered the master password, click on Continue. The Buy Prepaid Credits window appears a second time now, and here you have to click on Buy again. The active payment method is now being used to buy the new credits. As you can see here, the credits are now added to your balance. Sometimes it can take up to 5 minutes until the new credits show up in the upper right corner of the screen. I will now briefly explain the process of account validation and credit limits related to that. To prevent abuse, a maximum limit applies to unvalidated customers. Therefore, you cannot buy a large number of credits with an unvalidated account. Typically, our team validates accounts quickly and within 24 hours of account creation. But sometimes no or insufficient company details are provided by a customer for the validation. Therefore, the account cannot be validated. If you run into such a limit and need a more urgent validation, please get in touch with the MailCom sales team. We will assist you and take all steps necessary for a successful validation. I will demonstrate the account limit now. At the moment of recording this video, my master account is unvalidated. That means that I am limited in buying credits. As you can see in the upper right corner of the window, I have currently 105,721 credits on this account. If I now try to buy a bigger amount of credits at once, for example the 50,000 credits package, I get an error message which says that I am hitting the account limits, as you can see right here. Here you can either call the sales team or wait for the validation process to complete. We have now reached the end of this tutorial. In this video you learned how to buy new credits, how the account validation process works, and what account limits apply for unvalidated customers. If you want to learn more about Expert.tools, you will find more videos on our channel or on our Expert.tools website. If you have any discussion items, questions or suggestions, please let us know by commenting on the video below. You can also contact sales or just send us an email.